Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be learning how we can do multiple database operations using functions provided by FaunaDB. So what we have done is we have created two collections, shop and product. Now each product that we are creating belongs to a specific shop. So if we intend to delete a specific shop, that automatically means that all the products associated with that particular shop also gets deleted. Now, individually, we can do these two operations, but with the use of functions, we can create one function which will perform these operations. So it's going to take, let's say, shop ID as the parameter, and based on that, it's going to delete the shop as well as all the products associated with that shop. Now, to demonstrate this, what we'll do is we'll be creating a sample shop. So here, I'll be clicking on shop, and we can see that we have two shops over here. Let's create a new document. So here I've created this shop. Its name is delete shops. And if I go back to my collections, here you'll be, when we click on shops, you can see that the delete shops is coming up with the name, description, cover image, and owner ID. Now, after this, we'll be also creating a product which will belong to this newly created shop. So here, if I go ahead and see, this is the shop ID that we have for this newly created shop. So we'll copy this and we'll have it handy. And then let's go ahead and create a new product. And here we have created this new product. Its name is delete products. And here it's referring to the newly created shop with the shop ID ending with 346. Now, the next thing is to have a function created. So what we have done is we have created a function. We're calling it as delete shop. Now, the delete shop function, if you see over here, it has this format query, then lambda, and after that we have the parameter name, that's shop ID, and then within that we define what exactly we are trying to do. So we say shop ref, which is referring to a collection called shop, and it's passing this shop ID as the parameter to that collection. And then we're calling delete shop, which is then deleting this shop reference, so which in turn deletes that particular record with the shop ID that we have passed. Then we are also looking for all the matching products belonging to that particular shop ID. And for that, we are making use of our index products by shop, which we created in our previous lecture. And it is taking the shop ID as the parameter. Based on that, it's finding all the matching products for that given shop. And once that's there, we are making use of the map method to refer to this product ref and then keep on deleting each product using this lambda that we have. So internally, what it's doing is it's getting a reference to shop and product, and then it's making use of the delete method to delete that particular reference. Finally, it's returning true over here if everything goes well. Now, in order to call this, we can go ahead and click on the shell. So here, if I show you, I've already created one. So if you see, we are calling it using this method, call, and then function, and the name of the function within the double quotes, comma, and then the list of arguments. So the list of argument could be more than one. Over here, we are just passing the shop ID. So let's quickly go ahead and grab the shop ID and over here paste it. Now once that's done, we'll click on this run query, and here you can see it has executed it and we're getting the result as true. Now what it means is it has deleted both the things, the shop as well as all the associated products. So here, if I refresh this page, I don't see the shop, and if I go to product, let me click on product link over here directly. I don't see that product either. So internally, it has performed two operations, two delete operations, and that we have done by making use of the functions feature provided by Fauna. Now you can learn more about the SQL language by visiting this documentation link provided by Fauna. That's docs.fauna.com/current/reference/FQL_reference. Now here you'll get all the details about the SQL language, and apart from that, any future migration changes that you might come across can also be handled from this particular link. So here you can see, for example, we have SQL v4 migration that they have provided, and you can see what exactly has changed from the previous version to the newer SQL version for user-defined fields, for user-defined functions, and things of that nature. So have this link handy, and it's going to help you in future if you're working with SQL.